Story about maybe not great judgment, but with bad weather approaching, I thought, I've got time for a ride, and I headed out. And as I got about, a mile from the end of the ride, I start to looking at the horizon, and, well, it didn't really look that good. So I got out my phone, and yeah, my phone was like saying, you need to turn around like right now. So I did because of this. And I made it to an overpass just in time before the real festivities hit. Now, I don't mind riding in the rain, but lightning can be a real problem, and so can falling tree branches. So I'm watching this, and it's actually kind of fun because I'm safe and dry. But I have some surprises, like this, for instance. Like, dude, I hope you're not about to do what you look like you're doing. Yep, across you go. You made it.